According to Russian news agencies, the first 10 modernized Kamoz Ka-52M attack helicopters have been delivered to the Russian armed forces. Ka-52M attack helicopters are being modernized at the Sazykin Aircraft Factory in Russia's Arsenyev region. It is expected that the modernization process of helicopters will continue in 2023. The Russian Ministry of Defense announced in 2018 that the Ka-52 helicopters will be upgraded to the Ka-52M level. With the contract signed, 114 old Ka-52 attack helicopters in the inventory would be upgraded to the Ka-52M level. The contract for the first 30 Ka-52M helicopters was signed in August 2021. Another contract was signed in August 2022 for the remaining helicopters. Upgrades on the Ka-52M include increased range, a modernized GOES 451M electro-optical aiming turret with stronger undercarriage wheels, and improved cockpit ergonomics better suited to night vision goggle use. The Ka-52M is adapted to operate within a new battlefield command and control system. Ka-52 tactical reconnaissance and strike helicopters, NATO classification HOCM B, are designed to destroy armored targets, troops and low-speed air targets. The helicopter can operate day and night and in all weather conditions. The Ka-52 crew consists of 2 crew members sitting side by side in the same cockpit. Equipped with a 30mm nose cannon, the Ka-52 has unguided and precision weapon systems as well as a guided anti-tank missile as a weapon load. The helicopter can operate in all weather conditions, mountains, hot weather conditions and in the Arctic region.